Self-awareness sounds simple. Pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and actions. But in real life, it often turns into overthinking. Instead of clarity, you end up in a spiral of self-criticism, second-guessing, or trying to fix everything at once. In this lecture, we will learn how to observe yourself with curiosity, not judgment. Noticing what's going on internally without immediately needing to solve or explain it, because real change doesn't come from perfection. It starts with noticing. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand what self-awareness means, recognize common patterns in your thoughts, reactions, and energy. Use simple check-ins to notice what's helping or hurting your focus and calm. Practice observation without overanalyzing or turning it into a performance. What is self-awareness? Self-awareness is your ability to recognize what you're doing, how you're feeling, and why, while you're doing it. It's not the same as self-judgment. It's not about fixing, labeling, or over-explaining everything you feel. It's just about catching the moment and being honest with yourself. Think of it as holding up a mirror, not to criticize your reflection, but to understand what's there. Why self-awareness without overthinking is a skill. If you've ever gone from I feel off to I must be failing at everything, you've experienced the gap between awareness and overthinking. Here's the difference. Self-awareness. I'm feeling really tense today. I haven't had a break. Overthinking. I'm so tense. Why can't I manage stress better? What's wrong with me? One helps you understand. The other traps you. Learning this difference helps you respond to life instead of reacting to it emotionally or making it about your worth. Start with noticing patterns, not problems. When self-awareness becomes overwhelming, it helps to shift your focus from fixing yourself to simply observing what's showing up again and again. Instead of asking, "What's wrong with me?" try asking, "What am I repeating lately? What's draining my energy? When do I feel most like myself?" These are small questions that lead to big insights. The goal is to notice what keeps showing up. For example, if you realize you always feel stressed after meetings, don't jump into fixing it. Just notice it. That's step 1. Use gentle self-check-ins. You don't need a long journal session to be self-aware. Even a simple pause during the day can help you reset and check in with yourself. Try this quick, low-pressure format whenever things feel off. Pause and ask, what am I feeling right now, physically and emotionally? What's taking up most of my mental space today? What do I need more or less of? You don't need fancy journals or deep analysis. Just ask and answer honestly. Sometimes one sentence is enough. I'm anxious and I haven't eaten. I feel flat. I think I need some movement. I'm fine, just scattered from multitasking. These quick self-checks build a daily habit of awareness without spiraling. Normalize adjustment, not perfection. Self-awareness is not about getting it right every day. It's about catching yourself just a bit earlier. It's learning to say, "This isn't working. Maybe I need a break. I've been snapping at people. Maybe I'm stretched too thin. I feel calm. What's working today?" This mindset helps you make small, smart adjustments instead of overcorrecting out of guilt or shame.